Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The YouTube video play but any error problem, the error code. This video is unenable error code for the error code problem but an easily problem the solution. Update this video and step by step the problem the solutions. First of all, the officially the laptop and PCs the YouTube videos play error problem but easily problem the solution. Open the Chrome browser and different devices. And first of all, the updated officially the to Chrome browser as we updated new versions completed. And second step, the officially the three dot clicking and the search YouTube's settings and open the history, claim the YouTube's searchables, all the claims, all history the claims as we step by step the hide the all history has been claimed the open the YouTube's but any problem the solve. Search the YouTube and the well devices has been opening applications but any example the PCs the processor and easily problem the solutions. Thank for watching.